Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss one interview question which I faced in Coforge, that is display the character count of a string. So let's do that. Yeah. So if you'll see my IntelliJ, so there is a string. Let's say the string name is automation. So from that, I need to display all the characters as well as the character count. Okay. So let's first I will do that using, let's say, hash map. Okay. So what I can do, I will write down one, let's say, hash map. Okay. Let's say I will take one character, then integer. Okay. Then map is equal to new hash map. Okay. Then what I can do, I will just create one for loop for, let's say, int I is equal to 0, I less than, let's say, input dot length, then I plus plus. Okay. Then what I can write down, let's say if, one second, so I'll just create one character, ASCII is equal to, what I'll do, I'll just store, input dot caret I. So I will iterate through all the indexes of the string. Then what I can write down, if, let's say, map dot contains key C, that means if map contains the character, then what I can do, I can write down map dot put C, comma, then map dot put. Okay. What I can do, I can write down map dot put C, or what I can write down, map dot get or default C. If default is, for default it will be 0, and all other cases it will be +1. Okay. Else, let's say if the character is not present, then in this case, that means the character is the first character. Then in this case, what I can write down, I can write down map dot put C, comma 1. Okay. Then at the end, if I print system.out.println map, then it should display all the characters along with the count. Let's see that. Yeah, just observe one moment. Yes, absolutely working fine. See, if you will see here, all the characters count, like A is equal to 2, A 2 times, T 2 times, U 1 time, I 1 time, M 1 time, N 1 time, and O 2 times. Absolutely working fine. Okay, I can add, let's say, another A, and let's say another O. Okay, sorry, another O. Then if I'll run this, then it will increase the count as 3 and O count as 3 and all remaining same. Okay, it's working absolutely fine. Then let's do this without using hash map. How can we do the same thing without using hash map. Okay, so in this case what we can do, let's do one thing. Let's what I can do, I will convert the string into lowercase letter, input dot to lowercase. Okay, then after that what I can do, I can basically create one integer array, int, let's say count is equal to new int of, let's say the size, all the ASCII character size 256 I took. Okay, then after that what I will do, I will just create one for each loop where I'll create one char c, then I will write down input dot to char array. I will iterate through all the character of the string. Then what I can do, I will just do count of c and I will increase the count. Okay, just I will increase the count of character. Then what I can do, I can write down one for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than 256, then I plus plus. Okay, then what I can do, okay, I will basically mention if, let's say count of I, if count of I greater than 0, if count of I is greater than 0, then what I can do, I will just write down system.out.println, then char of I, like all the characters of the I, I'll basically convert the I to character. I is equal to, okay, I'll just write down equal to plus count of I. So it will basically display the number. This is the character and this will be the number. Okay, so let's run this and you will see the result. Okay, see, absolutely working fine. So what I can do, I can just write down, instead of println, it will be print, and what I can do, I can basically one second, I think it should be fine if it is println also, not an issue. So yeah, okay, let me increase this, one second. Okay, so yeah, so let me, yeah, this is better. Okay, so absolutely working fine. So if you will see here, a is equal to 3, I mean if you will show automation, a is equal to 3, a 3 times, I is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, o is equal to 3, t is equal to 2, u is equal to 1. Okay, so if for example I will increase one more a, and let's say I will use one more I, then let's see the result. It will be, a will be 4, I is equal to 2, and remaining everything will be same. So yeah, that's how you can print all the character numbers from a string. Okay, that's it guys. So please like it, share it, please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.